When we add to the verb to have, it indicates external obligation. I have to finish my homework tonight. He has to apologize. We have to clean up the house. I had to fire her yesterday. We can add the word got. I can say he has to apologize. Also, he's got to apologize. It is the same meaning. But there will be some differences in the question and negative forms, and we will see it later in this lesson. Also, we have what we call the causative have. The causative have, we use it when we want someone to do something. That means we will not do this thing ourselves. We will let someone else to do it. It can be in the active form and in the passive form. In the active form, we use to have someone do something. The word order have plus the agent plus the verb in the infinitive form. In the passive form, to have something done, we use have plus the object plus the past participle. I have my dentist clean my teeth once a year. In the passive, I have my teeth cleaned once a year. I had the barber cut my hair last week. I had my hair cut last week. I will have my secretary send you a copy. I will have a copy sent to you. Can we use the word got with the causative have? In fact, no, we cannot. But we can use the verb to get instead of the verb to have. And there will be some change in the active form. In the active form, the verb to get is followed always by to plus the infinitive. So, to get someone to do something. In the passive form, it is the same as the verb to have, to get something done. I get my dentist to clean my teeth once a year. I get my teeth cleaned once a year. I got the barber to cut my hair last week. I got my hair cut last week. I will get my secretary to send you a copy. I will get a copy sent to you. Now, the verb to have as an auxiliary verb. It is used as an auxiliary verb for perfect tenses. I have seen him before. We use the contracted form in spoken English and the full form in written English. He has arrived. They have been living here for 6 years. We'd left when they arrived. Now, let's see about negatives and questions in the verb to have. When the verb to have is the main verb without the word got, when we do negatives and questions, we use do, does, and did, like any other main verbs. But if we add the word got to the verb to have, or it is an auxiliary verb of a perfect tense, we use direct negative and question forms. Let's see in examples. I have a job. I can say I've got a job. But the difference now we will see in the negative and question forms. I have a job. When we do negative, I say I don't have a job. But the other one, I say I haven't got a job. I use the direct negative. When I make a question, do you have a job? The other one, have you got a job? Yes, I do. Yes, I have. Another example, he has a car. He doesn't have a car. Does he have a car? Yes, he does. He's got a car. He hasn't got a car. Has he got a car? Yes, he has. He had a cold. He didn't have a cold. Did he have a cold? Yes, he did. He'd got a cold. He hadn't got a cold. Had he got a cold? Yes, he had. He has to apologize. He doesn't have to apologize. Does he have to apologize? Yes, he does. He's got to apologize. He hasn't got to apologize. Has he got to apologize? Yes, he has to. When the verb to have is in the action form, I cannot use the word got. I have a shower every day. I don't have a shower every day. Do you have a shower every day? Yes, I do. With the perfect tenses, it is used as an auxiliary verb, and we use direct, negative, and question forms. I have seen him before. I haven't seen him before. Have you seen him before? No, I haven't. We had left when they arrived. We hadn't left when they arrived. Had we left when they arrived? Yes, we had. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you want to get more lessons, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.